take a poop.
Why you always gotta take poops? My God.
I gotta take a poop. Sorry. Bye.
Man, he's got this great kind of car. Technical difficulties.
Happy Halloween! Happy Halloween! Happy Halloween!
Shut up!
You just got helped up! Okay, sir. Oh my God, for crying out loud, I'm not a sir! I'm a boss! You can call me king. Yeah, so hot. You're hot, sir! Can I smooch with you?
The next day.
Okay,
So, it's still Halloween. Can't believe that, but yeah.
Oh wait, I need to go take a poop.
Why do you always have to take poops?
I need to go so bad.
Okay, guys, this is the part where we beat him up. Let's go.
I gotta go take a poop.
You gotta see me. Oh wait, I forgot. You gotta see me. Oh wait, I forgot. You gotta see me. Oh my God. Oh, you gotta see me.
Hey, how you doing today? 'Cause I'm coming now in the day. And I'm not that guy. I'll make you a star. Look at my butt. You got it in your face. I got it in your face and can't disgrace. Look at my butt. Gotta look at my butt. You gotta look at my butt or my eye. Just look at my butt. You gotta see me. Look at my butt. You gotta see me. Yeah. You stupid little red-headed boy. You gotta see me. Me. I had enough.
Why are you gonna ruin this? With my butt?
Whee! Frankenstein, I'm Frankenstein.
And I'm little bird, who's singing that big giant stupid song.
Okay, so we have to go to part 2, so if you see our next video, awesome!
I will make you stop. Yeah.
Yeah, you know what? I'm so hot.
I was gonna say that I'm
Indian. Maybe you can
What's this? A snowflake! Guys, get over here! Let's pray for God! Oh, snowflake, how much I love you, snowflake. Snowflake, oh, snowflake.
I just want to pray for that snowflake, but they won't give me one. Oh my God, it's gorgeous! With poop and pee inside of it! Disgusting!
I mean, I'm so happy. Let's kiss. Oh my God, it's such a mess! Okay, so we're gonna make one more part in the snow. And you gotta see all our videos because they're great. And I mean epic.
I'm sorry!
Snowflake!
Hey, how you doing today? 'Cause I'm not back now in the day.
Okay, we're not gonna sit here, listen to you sing that stupid song every stupid video. I think my other friends are gonna be coming.
Now finish my poop.
Ooh, I just dropped in my little brother. Oh my God, where's the wizard?
Where's my big brother? Anybody, hold me.
I would, but I gotta go take a poop.
I was gonna say that I'm so happy with that snowflake. It's Snowflake! Oh my God, let's pray for both of them. Come on, we need to gather up so we can sing our song. Da 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 da. Hey, who's doing that? Da da da. Oh wait, let me guess. White bird.
Yep, it's me for doing a poop. What a surprise! Yeah, look at my hair, look at my rear end.
Okay, that's just gross. Okay, thanks for seeing our video. I know it's really short, but we gotta go. Are you ready to do this thing? I'm ready. Okay, let's go. Ah,
I guess it's my turn. Ah.
I gotta take a poop.
Hey, how you doing today?
shut up! Oh my god, you guys were talking Frankenstein.
Awesome.
I was just gonna say, oh, what's all that talking? Like, geez, degrees. Blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah, blah. They're doing that blah, blah, blah. No, I'm not. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, move it, Red. Hey. Blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, be quiet. You all need to shut up right now. Okay, this is our new video, and it's called The Sky is Falling. This is such a beautiful day, just look outside.
I think it looks like garbage.
I gotta go take a poop.
Oh my god, guys.
Whoa.
The sky is falling.
Oh my god, you're right, the sky is falling! Ah!
Ooh, a camera. I love cameras. They're so beautiful.
Well, I can't hear you. No, can still hear you. A little louder. A little more louder. Nope, still not hearing you. Nope.
Now put my hand on it with my poop. Oh, I'm gonna go take another one.
We were walking in the street. We were having a happy time.
I gotta take a poop.
Okay, listen. All you do is go to the bathroom and then blow it up with your poops. I gotta pay $1,000,000,000 just because of your poops.
Man, today is such a beautiful day. Are you looking at the girl in the boxer? No. I know you're in love. No, I'm just looking at it. What? No. Nice underwear. I'm gonna put you in the trash can because you're so weird. Hey, I have an idea. Yeah. You know how we're always in a castle? Well, decorate! There, the red bird. Why do you want the red bird, sir? So I can beat him up. Don't forget my girlfriend. You submitted it as your girlfriend. Let's celebrate. Okay, I'm still here, guys, with my underwear.
I know how we can get those eggs back. By stealing them! We're the Angry Birds! Dun dun dun, we're the Angry Birds!